Okay, children, now based on the algebraic identities, we are going to solve the problems in the exercise 2.5. Here, first we use suitable identities to find the following products. Suitable identity is appropriate. So, based on the problem, we have to use the suitable identities. So, here x plus 5. Yes, here one more formula we missing here. That is 11th one 10 we written now. That is one more is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is one more formula. It is not mentioned or it may be mentioned somewhere. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, because x into x square, a into x ax, b into x bx, a into b ab, 4 elements. So it is this here. First only it is given here. This is the 11th formula. So you have to verify that which formula we are using. So based on that only you can solve the problem. Here x is same in both terms. Here two products are there, here x, but here 5, here 2. That's why here x plus a into x plus b. This formula we are using. And next one x minus 5 repeated here. X minus 5 repeated. How many times repeated? 2 times repeated. So it is nothing but x minus 5 whole square. Here a minus b whole square formula we have to use. And next one is a 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. Here 3x, here also 3x. Here plus 2, but here minus 2. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. And here also same here, x square plus 1 by x square, here minus 1 by x square. It is also a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Both are similar problems here. So now here 1 plus x. Here same terms are there. How many times are there? 1 plus x, 2 times. 1 plus x whole square. Here also x minus 5 is x minus 5 whole square. Here 1 plus x, 2 times this can be written as 1 plus x whole square. So here a plus b whole square formula. So based on the situation, based on the problem, we have to use the formulas based on the suitable identities it is given. So here this is different formula. It is a x plus a into x plus b. It is x minus a x. So x minus 5 into x minus 5 means x minus 5 square a minus b whole square formula. Here a plus b into a minus b. Here also a plus b into a minus b. These both are similar problems. So in these two problems, any one I will solve, and here 1 plus x into 1 plus x means a plus b whole square formula. Same here. So here in this one problem, the remaining problems I will solve. So now first one, x plus 5 into x plus 2. So this is for this the suitable identity is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b. Here first term in this first term are same, but in the second term in this second term are different. That's why this formula, that is algebraic identity x plus a into x plus b is equivalent to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That we have to apply. So that implies x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equivalent to 2. Here x means here x. So here also same x square. In place of a, and this is a, this is b. So a plus b means here 5 plus 2 into x. Here also x plus ab. Ab means a into b. Here 5 into 2, 10. So 5 into 2, that is equivalent to x square plus 5 plus 2, 7. 7x plus 5 2 is 10. This is the first problem based on the algebraic identity x plus a into x plus b, which is equivalent to x square plus 7x plus 10, or you can write is equal to also, no problem, both are same here. So now we will go for the second one. So what is the second problem here? That is x minus 5 into x minus 5. Here x minus 5 is repeated. How many times repeated? 2 times. So it is equal to, or equal to equal to also can write x minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 2 times. You can write as x minus 5 whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square is equivalent to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now x minus 5 whole square is equivalent to a square. A means what? X, and b means what? 5. First a square means x square. Minus 2 into a means x, b means 5, plus b square, b square means what? 5 square. That is equal to, or equivalent to x square minus 2 5 is 10, 10x plus y square is what? 25. This is about the second problem. Okay, this is 11th identity. So now this is the second one, and in third and fourth both are similar problems. I am plus 2 into 3x minus 2. So I'll take fourth problem. X square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equivalent to a square minus b square. A means x square, b means 1 by x square. So now x square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square is equivalent to a square, first term square. A square means first term square. First term is what? X square. For this whole square minus b square. B square means what? Second term square. Second term is what? 1 by x square whole square. That is equivalent to x power 4. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 square means what? 1. X square whole square means x power 4. So x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. And the last one, fifth one, 1 plus x. Fifth one, 1 plus x into 1 plus x. Here repeated 1 plus x. How many times repeated here? It is repeated 2 times. You can written as 1 plus x whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square is equivalent to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 plus x whole square is equivalent to, so a means 1, b means x. So a square means 1 square plus 2 into a into b. A into b means 1 into x. 1 into x plus b square. Plus b square means second term square, that is x square. That is equivalent to 1 square means 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 into x, 2x plus x square. 1 plus 2x plus x square. This is the first bit. 4 5 problems. Okay, children, now we move to the second bit. Evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. Here, the meaning of without actual multiplication means you should not multiply. In the previous bit, we have variables. So that's why we have suitable identities. We have to use there. Here also we have to use the suitable identities. Directly, you should not multiply as a real number. 101 into 99, 9 months, 9 zeros. Like that, you should not multiply. That's why it is given without actual multiplication. In the sense, we have to apply the algebraic identities or suitable identities. We have to apply here. So here 101 into 99. These all problems already learned in the 8th class. Once again it is given. It is revised here some problems. So you should be very careful. You have to recall at all the problems. So here 101 into 99. So it is nearer to 100. It is more than 100 by 1. It is less than 100 by 1. So 101 is written as 100 plus 1. And 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. Then we get here 100 plus 1, 100 minus 1. A plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square we can apply this one. First I will explain what formulas we have to apply here, or algebraic identities which we already know identities we have to apply here. Later we go for the solving the problems. Here 999 into 999 here. 999 2 times it can. So it can be as 999 square. 999 square. So 999 square means it is near to 1000. 1000 means it is less than by 1. So 999 square can be as 1000 minus 1 square. So a minus b whole square. And here 50 1 by 2 into 49 1 by 10. It is more by, it is half more by 50. It is half less by 50. It is 50 less by half. It is half more by, half less 50 here. So 50 more by half. Here 50 half less by 49 here. 50 plus 1 by 2 and 50 minus 1 by 2. So it is half. So 50 plus half. It is less by half. It is more by half. It is less by half. 50 plus 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 by 2. So here a plus b into a minus b. So same in the sense here 100 plus 1, 100 minus 1. Both are same here. In this both, anyone I will solve with this. So this is different here. And 501, 501. 501 2 times 500 square. Again it is nearer to 500. 500 plus 1 whole square. But here less by 1. It is more by 1. Here a plus b whole square formula. And here it is more 30 plus 0.5. Here 30 minus 0.5. Same like a plus b into a minus. These three problems are same here. I will do 2 problems and these 2 problems. In this one you take, first one you take homework, and these both are similar to the first one here. So these 2 problems answer, and this is a plus b whole square, this is a minus b whole square, this is a plus b whole square. So now instead of first one I will go for the second one. First, third, fifth are similar problems. First I will start with the second one. Second one is 999 into 999. So which is equal to 999 2 times. So 999 square. 999 square. So sometimes we can write it as 999 square. It will be a quad, or it becomes 99 9 square. So that's why better you keep the bracket. Okay, 999 square. So now this is nearer to 1005 less by 1. So this 999 whole square is equal to 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1. 999. This is what the square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square or x minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now in place of a minus b whole square, I write it as 1000 minus 1 whole square is equivalent to a square. This is a and this is b. A square, first term square, 1000 square minus 2 into a, 1000 into b 1 plus b square, 1 square. That is equivalent to, should be very careful here. So here 1000 square, here 3 zeros means square, no, 3 zeros becomes 6 zeros. 1 asterisk. So 3 zeros means 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 1000 into 1000. So 1 asterisk, 1 square is 1 and 3 zeros means double it. So 3 zeros, 6 zeros. And 1000 into 1, 1000. 2 into 1000, 2000 into 1, 2000. Plus 1 square is what? 1. So we have to add here. We have to add. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place values are very, very important here. 2000. 2000. Somebody will write here wrong. So here 1. So 1 here we should write. So what do you get here? 1, 0, 0. Here 2, 0, 0, 1. So which is equivalent to. Okay, small correction here. Minus here. So this is minus here. 1000 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs here. Plus 1. These both are positive. You have to add here. So what do you get here? 1 lakh, 10 lakhs and 1. So from this you have to subtract 2000. So 2000 should be subtracted minus. So 1 minus 0, 1, 0, 0. So borrow. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 2, here 9 remains, here 9. Sorry, borrow taken. So what do you get here? 99, 9 lakhs. 98,000 and 1. 9 lakhs, 98,000 and 1. So this is a calculation. Should be very particular about the calculation here. So I told it mistake here. We actually here minus. So this value should have subtracted minus value. And now instead of here 1, 3, 4, I am doing any 2. I do third one. I go for the third one. So third problem 51 by 2. 51 by 2 into 49 1 by 2. So this can be written as 50 plus half is 50 half. So 49 1 by 2 is less by half. That is written as 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 plus 1 by 2, 50 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 by 2, 49 1 by 2. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equivalent to a square minus b square. So now this is a, this is b. So now 50 plus 1 by 2 into 50 minus 1 by 2 is equal to a square. First term square 50 square minus second term square 1 by 2 square. That is 5 square is 25 and 2 zeros. Whenever you get a 0 and a square, then you have to double it. 1 0 means 2 zeros. 5 square is 25, or you can multiply 50 into 50. 2500 minus 1 square 1 by 2 square means here right here 50 square 2500 minus 1 square is 1. 2 square is what? 4. So that is equal to LCM is 4. So 22,500 minus 4. So 4, but there is no denominator, multiply with the 4. 4 zeros 0, 4 zeros 0, 4 5 20, 4 2s 8 to 10. So 10. So here 10,000 minus, no need denominator LCM are same 1. So what do you get here? 9,999 by 4. 9,999 by 4. Even if you want to do in the mixed fraction, you can do by dividing. So 4 into 4 divides 9,999. So here 4 2s 8. 4 2s 8. 1 and 9. 4 4s 16. 4 4 16. 3 and 9. 4 9s 36. And here 3 and 9. Again 4 9s 36. Again 3. So this also can be written as first quotient 2499 and remainder is what? 3. So 3 mile and the divisor 2499 3 by 4, or simply you can give it as 9 9099 by 4. Pause.